When I find the time, I'll do this. When time slows down, I'll do that. That's something that either you've probably heard in conversation or you've said it yourself. And so as a society, we have really gotten to this point where time has become so elusive. And at the core of it, I think we're bored. We shop for entertainment. Busyness is the new status symbol. Our home sizes are continuing to grow right along with our credit card balances and our waistlines. The danger to comfort is boredom, and we've all sort of fallen asleep in our life. It's more of a coma sleep where we're sort of awake but not really awake. And we spend all of our time in these high-paying jobs to have the big homes, to fill it with all the pretty stuff, to take the best vacations, to drive the really great cars, to send our kids to the best schools. But we say we're doing that first, i.e. that's building a life that's serving us, rather than asking the question of, how can I serve others? So instead of building a life to serve you, we should start to ask the question of, how can I serve others? So let me back up. We're all here to be in service to other human beings. It's just the basic core of our human purpose. How we go about doing that is our own unique gift. For example, the way that I am in service to others is through the gift of organizing. I love to organize, and that is how I am here to help other people. So you have a gift, everyone has a unique gift. But what we do is we say, well, wait a minute. Let me do all of these things first, and then I'll explore that. I'll explore my purpose. I'll explore my gift. But what we've done is we've put the cart before the horse, and the horse is your calling and your purpose. But we've forgotten that the horse is what makes the cart go. So we're building this new age house of cards. So instead of saying, well, let me wait to do that thing or to explore whatever lights me up, we need to start doing that now. And the dangerous part of the comfort is that's where no change happens. It's time for us to get off the lazy boy, to get out of our big fancy cars, to get out of our big old houses, and start to ask the questions, what is my soul pulling me towards? What is the thing that I love to do? What lights me up? I have a client who is an amazing health coach, and that's kind of her calling, and she's learning to lean into it. It can be a little awkward at first, but it's always worth it. So if you can't hear it, if you cannot hear your soul, then that means it's time to slow down, because you're going too fast, and you're going too fast in the name of busyness. And how do you slow down? You have to start to say no. And there's an art to saying no. You can say it in a way that doesn't hurt other people's feelings, and you can say it in a way that doesn't come off as being selfish or rude. So I want to encourage you to look at how you are building a life that serves you, and then how can you flip that around and say, how can I serve others? And what is it that I want to do? What is it that I love to do? And if you don't know, then I want you to start giving out some no's.